7:12 in the morning. Himala, medyo maaga for today's video kasi parang ang dami nating pupuntahan at nagugutom na ang mga first ones. Hindi ko alam po. We're ready to jump for today. At our accommodation, I wasn't able to show it last night kasi it was dark. Mga rooms. Ate, meron po kaya kayong alam na tricycle?
May magtawagan ako, ma'am.
Mga magkano kaya yung isang kunwari buong araw?
1.8 ay land tour.
Land tour lang po.
Yung i-occupy nyo buong araw, sa lab doong 1,800 ma'am. Yun yung price nila. Katawag ako, ma'am? Ako. Kasi, upo ko na kayo, ma'am.
1.8 for the tour. Siguro yun yung standard price nila. Map of Siquijor. Nasaan ba tayo? Asan tayo? Daming mga falls, may river. So ito yung church, Lazi Church, Balete Tree. Ayan yung mga tourist attraction natin, no? Okay, while we're waiting for yung tour natin, one of the things na na-observe namin since coming here last night is walang signal ang Smart. Parang yung Globe, yun yung malakas dito. Ayun, if you have a Globe and Smart SIM, make sure na dalhin nyo yung Globe kasi ako hindi ko dinala yung Globe ko. Kasi parang hindi pa naman din nangyari sa akin na walang signal at all yung Smart. Ngayon ko lang na-experience na during my travels, walang signal yung Smart. Tapos, pagdating naman sa transportation, I haven't seen a jeepney or hindi masyadong madami siguro yung pangpasada. Kaya it's actually recommended to rent a scooter, rent a motorcycle kasi again, hindi masyadong madalas dito yung public transportation. Again, we're on the island. So we're not complaining, pero yun lang yung observations. Okay, so ito yung sinasabi ko kahapon na ginagawa yung daan. It is 7:29. 7:30. So we were dropped off here. Tingnan natin. So sabi, merong entrance fee na 30 pesos per person. Tourist police assistance desk and the way is a bit this way. Okay, so let's explore the area. This is Pitogo Cliff, one of the tourist attractions here in Siquijor. Medyo maaga kami pumunta dito. Still around 7. Ay, may drone. May mga... ayun lang. Wala pang nasusunod. nag-rent kami ng life vest because we're gonna swim here sa Bitogo. Ayun, it was a very short swim. Medyo merong mga parang mahapde na something. So, we had to give up. Tapos, sabi nung kasama namin na parang local, may mga maliliit doon na jellyfish. Takot kami lalo kasi may nafe-feel nga kaming parang tingling sensation. Although, hindi siya, parang wala namang pattern. Pero yun, just to be safe, umalis na kami. So, parang 5 minutes lang yata or wala man. Ngayon ko lang na-realize. Kaya pala may 7 go siya kasi Bitogo. Ito, go. Ngayon ko lang na-realize. How slow. How slow. Paalis na. Ngayon, so we're off to Olete Tree. Hopefully we can eat a little.
Naka-draw mo ba?
Ano ba?
Naka-draw na.
Hindi po. Ang dami nang nakabila kahit na ang aga na Number 20 na kami. 1 pa lang daw sila. Currently, it's 8:56. Around 1.5 hours ka. Including na the swim. Kasi pag nagpe-picture ka doon, syempre pipila ka din. And syempre depende yun sa kung gaano katagal din yung sinusundan mo. Kanina, 2 groups lang naman yung nadatnan namin. Yung paalis nga kami, medyo dumadami na rin na namin. Kaya sakto lang na naaga kami. Breakfast kami sa So, I put generous amount. Although kanina bago tayo umalis ng hotel, nag-sunscreen. So, it's my first free application. So, yan. First, let's eat. So, meron ding restroom here. If muna tayo sa taas. Just gonna eat breakfast here. It's 9:08 a.m. So, tignan natin ang menu. May mga silog. So, hanggang 10 a.m. 9 o'clock pa lang. So, let's try. Pork kimba, pork sisig. 300. Medyo mahal din. Halil. Hindi. Bakit 260 dito? Pero dito is 300. Of course, hindi tayo magbabarkadahan meals because we're not good. 15. Okay. So, dito lang tayo. Sige, silog with instant coffee. Long silog ako. Long silog. Nandito tayo sa Balete. Nagpapatuyo ako ng buhok. Because magpipicture and video tayo doon sa Balete Tree. Samahan nyo ako, guys. Di ba sanay? Ako sanay sa lagay na to. Pero, you know, the important thing is we're trying. Sanay tayo na mag-travel lang, no? Pero, these talking vlogs, I'm actually really camera shy. Kahit na ng bata. This is all new for me. This is the change, siguro, one of the changes na sinabi ko sa sarili ko na gagawin ko kasi but for the longest time, we want things. We want to do a lot of things pero we're not taking action. Yeah. This is one of my ways to, you know, get out of my shell. And I don't even know if makapublish ito if I will ever have the time to read it. But still, you know, at this point in time, I just want to try. I also do hope that for those of you watching, sharing this journey with me, you know, kaya natin to. Parang kape lang eh. Green. Nandito na yung ating. This is the long silog. That's the party silog. Wow. We have suka over here. Only 8 ako. Merong entrance tayo dito. 20 pesos. Tapos, may log. Log.
Kapasuroy mo eh.
Kaya na pala yung old yung maleted. So, you just enter so that you can take a picture up close. May pila over there. Then while may mga isla. Parang may ang laki naman naman. Gano'n nakatagal ang Balete Tree? No explanation. Balete Tree, check. Okay. We're here sa Hapitanan. And touchdown Hapitanan. Ayun, itong Hapitanan is where yung may broomstick pictorial.
Give all that you want.
Ang airport, ano ba? Wait, departure, baggage, and arrivals.
Lost in every groove, holding down your spine. Baby, hold me tight. We gon' be alright. Keep it low, cause you dropping it down. We gon' boogie to the sundown. Oh, baby girl, you look so fine, fine, fine. 아무 생각 없이 can't wait to tune it out. Show you all I know. Let me ease your mind. Can I?
pictures eh. Parang go one take lang siguro. Ayun, so it's already 10:30 and marami na tayo na check up. Done na tayo dun sa broomstick sa Kapitanan. Mabilis lang kami, bilis mag-picture ni Kuya. I mean, isang take lang talaga. Diba, usually when we do jump shots, ang tagal bago natin makunta yung shot. Pero surprisingly, kahit na, syempre iba-iba yung phone na hinahawakan ni Kuya. Parang ang hirap tansyahin minsan. Pero lahat ng shots na nasa ere, okay naman. Kaya ang bilis lang din. 3 beses kang nag-jump. 3 beses din yung. So we're here. Anong church na Kuya?
San Isidro.
San Isidro Church. Dahil wala tayong tour guide. Take stories first. So, very, naman yung architecture niya, no? Parang familiar sa mga atin na Filipinos. Kasi yung style naman talaga niya is undeniably Spanish influence. It is one of those na nakita natin dun sa Dumaguete Museum na meron siyang yung miniature. Nakatakot naman dito pagkagabi, no? Historic yung feel, but at the same time, maganda siyang photo and video spot. It's 11 a.m. We spent around 30 minutes sa church and sa convent. Next stop is the Cambugahay. Malapit lang pala, 1.7 kilometers. Signage. Let's reapply sunscreen again. We're here sa Cambugahay. Sa pamama. We're walking dito sa Cambugahay Falls. Medyo maano pala yung daan. It's rocky pero ano naman yung steps. So, hahawak lang tayo dito. Bato-bato ang steps. So, be careful. Ang nakakakaba on the first try. As in, parang the anticipation. Pero once na na-try mo na, alam mo na somehow hindi expect.
Hindi po, limited na. May balsa. Lakaw. Bitaw!
So after a short hike, this is what we see. Most of the activities within baba. So we have to walk a little further.
Makarine. Makarine. In Kapampangan is nakakahiya. Because ang daming tao. Daming tao nag-aabang. So the pressure is on. Diba? Hindi mo ayoko. Na parang it's not that they're waiting for you to fail. No? So, may pressure kasi na dapat hindi ka mag-fail. So, medyo spiritual yung daan. So, we're just being careful. Matagal, mabagal. So, puntado. Basta ano po din. Fourth level. Ngayon pa lang, I can see that there are lots of people. So, I'm not really sure. I'll do. Ngayon is a Thursday. So, since it's a weekday, we were hoping na konti lang yung tao. Apparently, marami na rin palang tao. Water. So also bring your water shoes or just don't wear your sneakers when they're definitely going to do it. Ayun, dami tayo. Since it's already 1 p.m. tapos sobrang haba din ng pila. We decided to just go back kasi it will take some time. Pero for me, okay lang naman ako na subukan, okay lang na hindi. It's an optional activity. As long as nakapag-swim na. Siguro dahil summer din. Siguro mas konti. It's already rainy season, mas pupunta mga turista dito. Pero most of the tourists naman are not foreigners. Chinese, yung kanina na medyo nakakasabay namin dun sa jump. Tapos may iba na siguro para mga fill up na family. So, aside from that, parang halos mga Pilipino naman yung mga pumupunta dito. So, good and interesting. Kung kabalik, hintay ka ng turn. Kaya ano, matapos.
Madudulas kasi yung mga bato, ha? Kaya talagang mas maganda yung makakahawak ka dito sa kawal.
Ice cream after Kambugahay Falls. This one is mango flavor. It costs 30 pesos. Kasi hindi kami kumain at all doon sa baba.
Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling.
We're here sa Salagdoong Beach. But we're kind of hungry. It's already past 1 p.m. kanina eh. Siguro mga 2 p.m. na by this time. There is a Salagdoong cafe dito. And we're just gonna be at the beach hanggang mamaya. Parang dun yung cliff dive. We're just gonna eat our lunch dito sa Salagdoong Cafe. Bayad pala kami ng 100 pesos for the entrance. Tapos, another 25 pesos for the parking fee no direct namin.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling.
Dami mga corals. Not really like a sand. And if you have aqua shoes, just use them here. I know, magaspangot ito. And so, yung tubig, no? Very, very clear. Just like Boracay.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna
I
kiss you
just tried
before the sun
snorkeling.
goes down.
There are so many fish. We brought our snorkeling gear. I don't think na meron kang mapagrerentahan dito. So, maybe you have to bring your own. Meron parang ano eh, parang grotto or a little island.
It's what you're doing that's making me
So, let's tour around. We're just gonna walk around dito.
It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
We are here at Paliton Beach where we plan to witness the sunset. Hopefully there's a sunset kasi while we were on the way, medyo umulan.
loudly.
It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love.
Balut.
Safe haven of conversation where we make space and ease our frustrations. Continuation for days and days, and I can just say it, no explanation needed. We just understand what we mean. If only through pictures and
First time? May special kami, tapos may Dolce Amore. At the moment po, we only accept cash, no hard payments. Everything in the menu is homemade, and all the ingredients are imported from Italy. Our pizza here is Napoli style, so it is soft, not crunchy one po. If you want some gelato later and frozen yogurt, you can go to the cart over there. At sabihin nyo lang po ang table number so that we can add to your bill.
Dolce Amore. Truffle ravioli. Vanilla latte po.
Vanilla latte.
Iced.
Tell you all my secrets, it's safe to keep them. Sharing our dreams and the whys and reasons. Since our last conversation, my girl's been waiting. Let me update them, they're my salvation. When I wanna break down and crash out, they won't. That's what friendship's about. Failure or success, we're a circle.
Meron silang yogi, cocoa and berries, vanilla, choco hazelnut, cinnamon, apple crumble, lemon cake, coffee, red berries, vegan. Yung cinnamon apple, isa lang. Hi! So we're back sa ating accommodation from all the fun activities that we've done for today. We went out kanina ng around 7:30 a.m. and now it's already 7:30 p.m. A good 12-hour activity. We also had our dinner sa Dolce Amore, which is one of the things that I look forward to. Siguro yung highlight na lang for today is the Cambugahay Falls kasi dun kami nagstay ng medyo matagal. Cambugahay Falls is one of the highlights when you go to Siquijor, following the trend of Ann Curtis doing the ferry walk. Parang marami siyang levels. It's not just a one single fall of tall cliff, no? Yung una na medyo na overwhelmed kami sa dami ng tao. Pero later on, we realized din naman na hindi lang naman kasi yung swing and fall yung pinupuntahan. It's actually more of yung ferry walk, which is located dun sa 4th level. And we actually went there. We just walked very slowly and with caution. Pero since it is a popular trend nowadays na people go to Siquijor to do a ferry walk particularly, so people didn't actually mind to line up. Pero kami, it was actually too much na for us and we were happy na to experience yung swing and fall. It's actually a nice experience. Very scary, lalo na nung una. Kasi I have been watching a lot of videos na nakakabitaw sila doon sa handle very early na parang it's a bad landing for them. That's one. Tapos meron ding mga bad falls. You fall on a bad side, like on your back or on your leg. Yun yung medyo nakakatakot. Aside from the fact that you will be jumping on such a tall height. And by the way, yung water na maglaland ka is actually 21 feet. Kaya hindi mo naman matatouch yung rocks or yung floor by the time that you dive. If you're like me, hindi ako bilib sa capability ko to swim. There is a life vest rental, 100 pesos per life vest. We rented a life vest for our peace of mind lang din, for our safety din. Pero actually most of the people who are doing that, wala naman silang life vest. Kahit nga bata ang daming mga bata na tumalon na wala namang life vest and that they can actually swim. And then yung first stop namin was Pitogo Cliff, and we just waited for a couple of minutes before our turn kasi after namin sobrang dami na ng tao. It's really highly advisable na pumunta kayo doon ng maaga. Also, kasi you will be taking a picture dun sa cliff, right? Dun sa, bababa pa kayo ng stairs, and then you're gonna take a picture, and then the angle of the picture is parang nasa taas. So, if medyo mataas na rin yung araw, mga 9 or 10, siguro masisilaw na kayo when you take a picture and look at the camera kasi pataas yung camera angle nun. Aside from the fact that you avoid the crowd, you can also have decent pictures pagka umaga, and you don't also want to rush your picture taking. We also went to Sinagdoong Beach. Yung beach naman doon is coral siya, hindi siya sandy. Pero marami kang makikitang mga isda sa ilalim, which I also do appreciate kasi not every beach ganon. Just like yung pinuntahan namin last is the Paliton Beach. Maraming mga, hindi naman siya lumot pero parang mga dahon-dahon that you cannot really see so much sa baba. So, we didn't actually swim there. Maganda yung Sinagdoong. Meron ding cliff diving doon. I tried to go dun sa area kung saan nag-cliff dive, and it's really high. It's not really for me. Tapos, walang life vest available doon. And also, walang snorkeling gears. So, if ever you will have to bring your own. But then again, maraming mga nag-cliff dive na marunong kasing lumangoy. Kaya, ayun, they can do it. But I won't do it for my own safety. Pero, grabe yung adrenaline if ever pumunta kayo doon. If ever makita nyo kung gaano kataas yung tinatalon ng mga tao doon. Tapos yung mga, ang daming ding mga foreigners. Parang feeling ko, they just had to take Siquijor out of the list. Parang ganyan. Na if ever they go to Bohol or they go to other places here in the Philippines, parang Siquijor is also one of their stops. Kaya ganon. May mga nakita kami mga Spanish, Phil-Ams, meron ding Chinese. Although yun nga, yun dun sa Cambugahay Falls, I am really happy to see a lot of Filipino tourists. I'm happy to see we Filipinos have the opportunity to travel like this, to discover places here in our country na parang hindi lang foreigners yung nakikinabang sa ganda ng Pilipinas, di ba?